Good, sir. Yes, now. I remember. The dual channels.
Yeah, she's my colleague. You know, I'm up for that.
I'm going to sir. How are you? Where's the Dele? Sir, good to see you, sir. Congratulations.
You, since convention, don't get in touch with me. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, all right. Thank you very
much. Of the People's Democratic Party, 5 of them.
People's Democratic Party to contest the 2023 election. It is our fervent hope and prayer that inshallah you will make it to the seat of power come February 2023. The central purpose of our assembly this afternoon is, first of all, for all of us to congratulate you. Second, having been a resident of Lagos for 32 years myself, I've come to know the lady and gentleman to my right. They've had several meetings among themselves, and I've had approximately 2 meetings with them. And they had expressed the earnest desire to come and meet with you, to convey their well wishes, and also to communicate a couple of important points that they do have. My task is simple, to introduce them to you. One, to my immediate right is...
because it will be very useful in the campaign. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. On behalf of some of the PDP presidential aspirants, we would like to congratulate you. This is the first opportunity we are having to meet with you, sir. I know I spoke to you maybe about 2 weeks ago before you came to Lagos, but we've not had a formal occasion like this. As Alhaji Ayatollah has said, we've met, we've discussed, and we believe that the aspirants should come together urgently to make sure that we offer our individual and collective support to this campaign. PDP, we believe, has the best chance of winning the 2023 presidential election by the grace of God. So, you would have seen some of our interventions in the last couple of days, appealing to the party hierarchy, to ordinary members, and every one of us to come together and unite behind it. By the grace of God, this which I do, and which I do honorably. Our only appeal is that whatever is worrying or disturbing the peace of the party, we must do everything to make sure that we bring it under control. This is very important. And so I will allow Tari to speak briefly because she had expressed her intention to talk. Thank you, sir, for this.
And we want to say, to the best of our ability, just as Chief Dele has said, we've held a couple of meetings. We've even reached out to the people that are not here. Actually, Saraki, he sent a message this morning that he's away, he would have been here. Same thing with Echi, Ayin, Pius Ayin, and so many others that are not here at the moment. So we're working as a group, as a team, and because we believe in the party, we believe in the structure of the party, we believe in the leadership that PDP is bringing to bear, and we believe that collectively, with our ideas, with our support and the support of our followers, our supporters, our constituencies, and my primary constituency, which is the constituency of the youths and the women, we're going to mobilize ourselves, and we're going to have issue-based campaigns, because a lot of people still believe otherwise. But we need to bring the issues to the table. I want to do this in the best manner, friendly manner, preaching peace, because this is a party I've been for 19 years. And if there's one thing I know about PDP, is the fact that PDP is a family. It doesn't matter where you come from, if you're from the south, north, east, or west, it's always one family. And we want to reassure Nigerians that it's a family matter. Whatever the issues are will be sorted out amicably as a family. Thank you, sir.
Of God, the one who is the reservoir of.
Sometimes, when you are addressing and you are using certain adjectives, you better be careful. He is more experienced than me in certain fields, in his own fields. I also want to commend you for your maturity and sense of nationalism, and also your sense of unity for our great party. Because each and every one of you would have tried to raise a lot of dust after the convention, but you decided to accept the outcome of the convention and ensure that there is unity so that our party can succeed. So I want to commend your leadership for that. Let me tell you that I am ever ready to work with you, to listen to you, in fact, to be partners in this process, first of all, of campaigning, and I believe after we win in governance and making sure that we rescue our country. Let me, therefore, appreciate this interactive session, and I hope we will have more opportunities to sit down together and brainstorm on what is before this country, particularly the challenges that are before this country. It is not going to be a one-man's job. It is going to be our responsibilities, all of us. Each and every one of you can bring something on the table. And I believe in the harnessing of your competences, your experience, and so on and so forth. So I want to thank you very much indeed for this visit, and I look forward to similar sessions. There may not be visits like this where you have all the media, but we could have working meetings. We could have lunch, and during the lunch, we could discuss issues. First of all, how do we win our elections? After we win our elections, how do we govern? So I anticipate we should be able to organize such, regular meetings. So I really thank you very much indeed for this visit. And as I said, I look forward to more of such interactive sessions. God bless you all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. This will bring to a close this visit. I haven't heard from the presidential
candidate, the Waziri Adamawa, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. This is the first time we're visiting him as a group, and we have 5 of us here today, as you can see, and we want unity in our party, and we will encourage whatever is going on now. We will encourage that our party resolve very quickly, because we don't have all the time in the world And I'm sure you heard what he said, that he's very ready, he's very willing to seek the support of the co-contestants. Because for anybody to have stood up to say, I want to be president of Nigeria, you must have something to offer, individually and collectively now. So that is why we are here, to make sure that in the coming days and coming weeks, you will see more action, more positive action from all of us. Oh, definitely. We are not opposed to anybody. We respect every member of PDP. A lot of them contributed immensely before I came into PDP, so there is no way how we come and then ignore anybody. We will definitely reach out to whosoever is ready to meet with us.
All the stakeholders.
All the stakeholders. All the stakeholders, we will reach out to them.
Thank you, ladies.